Oh, that's so cold. But it's beautiful. Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to another video. Just sitting here watching the sunrise, having a coffee. I think it's gonna be a good day today. Try to make every day as good as we can, but today I'm sitting here with a subscriber that I met last night. After doing the van tour, I got a text, or an email, sorry, from Dolores, and we decided to meet up. I showed her the spot that I stayed the night before, and she decided to park next to me, hang out for a bit. And I think today we might even remove some of her seats. She's seen I got some tools, so we'll see how that goes. For now, I'm gonna enjoy this coffee. Ooh. Wow, you guys, what a beautiful little morning treat. My mailbox finally got used. She mentioned that last night she seen the mailman drive past, and I'm like, did he say anything? And she said, no, he didn't say anything. He just drove on past. Now, it just never even really dawned on me. And this morning when I seen the little mailbox arm popped up, I was like, hey, did the mailman drop something off at my van? And it was actually her. She dropped off a little note right here. So sweet. Thank you very much for all of that. I greatly appreciate it. I think later on we're probably gonna meet up and take out her seats to give her a bit more room, lighten the van up a little bit, and yeah. But for right now, I'm gonna close up the door, pack everything up, and head up the road. I don't want to stay here too long to wow, you can see that fire smoke rolling. But yeah, I don't want to sit too long. As most of you guys know, the best thing in van life is just pull up late, leave early kind of thing. I've got a video uploading right now. I'm gonna pause that until I get to another spot and start reloading it wherever I end up. But yeah, it's been a beautiful morning so far. Let's hope that day continues. All right, let's finish our coffee, pack everything up. I also just noticed that my house batteries are extremely low because my dumbass forgot Starlink on the roof again last night, just running all night. So driving around might actually be in my battery's benefit. Let's get moving. Just packed away Starlink and I realized I got a little ladybug on there. No way, that's pretty cute. Okay, little guy, I need the, I don't want you hanging out in here. Trust me, I'd much rather be free. Oh, there we go, he's free. But yeah, as you can see right here, my batteries are definitely tired. So driving a bit today wouldn't be the worst thing in the world. Or once I sit somewhere, I can hook back up my solar and just kind of sit. I'm probably going to be doing that for the majority of the morning, just because I got 2 videos so far. 2, not 3. I've got 2 videos that I'm going to be loading up, and now we can get moving. I don't make a better coffee than Tim Hortons by any means, or McDonald's, but definitely saves on the pocketbook, that's for sure. It's not bad, not bad. I'll get better. I'm also gonna try and, when I stop, cook some breakfast and also some supper. So that will be in this video. My attempts at cooking. Probably gonna be a bunch of things I need to improve on, but it's all about learning, you know. Alright, let's find a nice little spot to hang out. This a few times passing by. Gina, I bet you'd love that thing. The hot rod milk truck thing. As soon as I seen that, I was like, that's something I can see Gina cruising in, man. If you guys don't know, Gina's Vanlife. Go check her out. Sign says 2-hour parking. And I'd like to sit somewhere, oh, nice bikes. I'd like to sit somewhere for a little longer than 2 hours. I need to upload that video and a few other things. So we're just gonna move on down the road a little bit and leave that for the people who are planning to hang out at that park. Look at that beauty. Phew, I can live in that. Hey you guys, got Starlink set up, and it's time to finish that video upload, do some more research. I'll see you guys in a few minutes, or a little bit, or a couple hours, who knows. I'll see you guys soon, in the edit. Okay, that video upload took a little longer than expected, but it was a pretty long video, so what we gonna do, you know? Wanted to make some breakfast here, but there's a couple sketchy characters in the area, and it's a pretty busy Tim Hortons or McDonald's. So I think I'm just gonna head up the road. I searched out a suspension bridge not far from here, and there's what looks like a pretty kind of covered parking lot with trees and stuff. So we'll go up there, make some breakfast, check out that suspension bridge, and see what else happens throughout the day. Yeah, it sounds like a good idea. We need to do some adventure, you know. I'd love to see more of this area than just the waterfront, although it's pretty beautiful just in itself. I'd like to check out a couple other areas around here while we're in the area. So yeah, let's do that. So you know, them's the sketchy characters I've been talking about. Nice little area though. Nope, not at all. I'm gonna have some food too. Hey guys, ain't pretty, but let's hope it's edible. I'm gonna try flipping it, or I should wait a little longer. I always get so impatient when I'm trying to cook. Oh, it's so hot in here right now. Definitely should have cooked outside. It's looking alright. Can only get better from here, right? Yeah, let's wait a little longer. Where's that Gatorade? Should be like Gordon Ramsay and just flip it. We ain't there yet, man. Calm down. Ooh. Shit, Gordon Ramsay ain't got nothing on me. Oh boy. Gourmet. So I decided to add some of this pesto. I noticed Yana always added it to her food, and it seemed to be pretty good. So let's see how it goes on my makeshift omelet. I was gonna try and cook like a breakfast style thing with like, you know, everything separate. Apparently I don't do so well with that, so it all became one very quickly. I think it should be okay. We'll see you in a second. I've waited long enough, man. I've waited long enough. I've played it. Ooh, look at that. Gordon Ramsay what? Okay. Not bad. Not bad for my first time. First time in a long time. Cooking something other than beef ravioli. Not bad. I should have added some cheese, but it's all the way at the bottom of my fridge right now, so it'll do for now. After I'm done eating, then we can go to the suspension bridge. I'll see you guys in a minute. The sausages is pretty good, man. Let's do 4 slices of bread. I usually always eat everything with plain bread. I don't know why. That's good. I don't know how pesto and mustard are gonna do together, but I'm gonna try it out. Committed now. Okay. Some mustard. Spread that all out. Okay. Ah. Yeah, I could do that. Gordon Ramsay, what? Doesn't even take that long either. Yep, definitely should have cooked inside. Give me a reason to mop the floors, though. I do have that lid, but it just wouldn't fit, so that's okay. It'll fit for the other pans. Don't worry, that'll go in that bag. Yeah, that wasn't too bad at all. No one died. No one got sick yet. That was a success. Now, we can get some water and Gatorades in us. And go check out that suspension bridge. Let's do it. And don't worry, I'll do them dishes properly later. Oh, there's the suspension bridge. So, yeah, parking lot. We can go that way for 100. I think this way. Yeah. I can hear the water.
Disobey the rules.
I'm usually bad for that. This tree is massive. Craziness. We ain't got no trees near that size in Newfoundland. Tell you what, that'd make one heck of a log cabin though. Wow. It's pretty sweet. It's pretty sweet. Definitely see why the wildfires ripped through the forests. That thing, and a lot of the wood around is like super dry. So, no campfires this year, I guess. That's okay. Rather not have a campfire and not burn down a forest. You know what I mean? I wonder how close we can get. Look at the size of those freaking trees. Excited to see the suspension bridge. The waterfall I didn't even really know was here. It's part of me not researching anything. Some things just pop out at you. Holy crap, like this tree. Look at that thing, it's massive. Just for an example on the size. Holy crap. Big one. The suspension bridge was right in front of me. I didn't even see it. Yoo-hoo! I think that way it might go towards the waterfall a little closer. Might check that out first. Let's go check it out. Whoa. Is massive. Looks like it went down forever. Super cool. Alright, let's check out the suspension bridge. See, I think it brings us to the other side, and maybe I might even be able to do some sketchy maneuver and get over by the waterfall and look down from that side. We'll see. That's a suspension bridge if I ever seen one. Oh, we're bouncing. You wouldn't want to take your canoe down there, I tell you what. That's crazy. That's where it ends. So how did those fellers get down there? Time to go back the other way. I love how you can see through it. Woohoo, we're bouncing now, boy. I ain't keeping this camera straighter on there. Bouncing is super trippy when there's other people on with you. Pretty cool though. I'm gonna see if I can get down by the river a little closer. A lot of stairs. So that was the way we came in. I'm gonna see if I can go this way and get closer to that falls. I'm hoping it's gonna loop around. If not, we're in for the hike of the unknown. Well, we still kind of are because I don't know where we're going. Either way, should be fun. It's a good sign. It's a little camping area. Well, day use area. I like this little day use area though, that's nice. I've been warned. Warning me. What will I do? It's massive. At least this way, if I die, it's on recording, I seen the sign. You know what I mean? Still want to get as close as I can though. Trees are freaking huge. You could probably make a camp underneath that thing. Like even the stump. Look at that. It's massive. Super cool. Feels like I'm in the Amazonian rainforest. Wild. Look at this thing. You could literally walk into it. Holy crap. Whoa. Look at this thing. This is freaking massive. Wait, check this out. Look at that. It's freaking huge. And also over here, this is wild. So it looks like a lightning or something as they hit that tree, and it's totally hollowed out. That's wild. Over here, there's one so big, could probably even walk through it if there's no creepy crawlies. Yeah, let's try it. Yeah. Look at that. It's all like charcoal from a fire or something. Look at this. What? No way. Like, what? Oh, we're not creepy falling down on me now. It's craziness. It's massive. Wow. Dude, camera does not do it justice. This tree, I swear, is bigger than the one I was just standing in. Holy crap. That's wild. That's absolutely wild. I just want to get down to the falls with these trees. Like, I've seen trees before. Even a couple videos back, I was like, yeah, I've seen trees, big deal. I even stopped to check those things out. Holy smokes. It's nuts. Aha. I think we're on the right track. We're going down, and I sees water. It's like clay. Don't die. Don't die. Yeah, it's like clay. Crazy. Oh, now I got clay on my fender. Damn it. So we could take the trail always taken or the trail less taken. You know I'm gonna do this. Squeezing me tree. Holy smoke. They literally cut this tree in half to make a trail. That's crazy. Oh.
Oh, hey, all good, dude. Yeah, okay, thanks.
Are you jumping?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we gotta watch now.
Ugh.
Wow. Oh, I hope we didn't interrupt your video.
No, you're all good. That's what editing's for. That was pretty funny. The things we do for YouTube. But to be honest with you, I'd have done that either way. That's super cool. Oh yeah. Oh heck yeah. I can see down there's people close to the falls already. So I won't hear no complaints about me going close to the falls, you know what I mean? Like I said, I'm gonna do it either way. But I might as well bring you guys all along with me. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. Ah. That's sharp. That's beautiful. See, so that's where we were earlier. I was wondering if it's cold. I can literally feel that it's cold from here. Can you imagine? Slip. Yeah. Let's hope it's only an imagining thing and we don't actually do it. You know? Oh wow. See if it's actually cold. Oh, that's freezing. That's pretty cool. Wow. That's crazy. It's gotta be like 80 feet from the top to the bottom. Let's drop it and see how long it takes to fall. Oh, why'd you get the water? I was watching the damn screen. I wasn't watching the rock. Let's try that again. Okay, let's try that again. This time, eye on the rock, everybody. I don't think I threw that one far enough. Third time's the charm. Okay, this one. Keep our eyes on. Throw it far enough. We got this. Didn't really throw it far enough, but you know what? That's good enough for me. Now let's get back with our dying. Yeah. 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 That is wild. Yoo-hoo! You can literally feel the power that that water has from here. Like the rocks are shaking and everything. It's crazy. So beautiful. If you guys have a chance to come to this area, check it out, man. It's beautiful. But right now, we're gonna head back to the van and go find a spot to make some supper. Because all this climbing around, it's got me hungry. Again. Another tree. Look at the size of that leaf. Splits into two trees the further it goes up. Wild. Time to go back up. I made the unfortunate mistake of not taking a Gatorade with me or a water bottle. I'm regretting that right now. It's not a far hike, but this feller's out of shape, you know what I mean? What are you doing? Don't put me on camera, man. This was the log trail that we seen on the way in. See, sometimes you gotta take the path less traveled to have a little more fun. Put her in 4x4. Alright, you guys, after a wonderful hike with some friends and the removal of her passenger seat, I'll put a clip in right here. She wanted her stow and go rear seat removed, and she noticed that I had some tools, so we figured, you know what, let's get it done. She'll need to get rid of it eventually, but for right now it's all unbolted and ready to go for when she can. And for me, I'm gonna go find somewhere with airflow, probably back near down by the water. Been really liking that spot, and if I keep moving in different locations, it should be okay. But yeah, let's head down by the water right now. Hey. You sneaky little bugger. Thank you so much, girl. She snuck that in when I wasn't looking. I say it all the time that I probably have the best subscribers in the world, and stuff like this that makes it feel really true. Yeah, thank you so much, girl. I greatly appreciate that. Okay, now let's go find somewhere to sit for the night. Maybe even cook them some supper, because even though I had that breakfast omelet a little late, I'm still a bit hungry. So maybe burger night? Okay, you guys, after a super adventurous day, I didn't really have too much more room on my phone for storage to film anymore. That's how you know it's gonna be a good video. But I did have some supper and a nice conversation with Yana. I'm gonna be picking her up from the boat tomorrow, and we're gonna be hanging out tomorrow. So I'm very excited for that. And I'm gonna try and take you guys along with me for the adventure and whatever we get up to. As you can tell, I'm very tired. My brain's moving slowly. But with that being said, we're gonna end the video off here. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video, and thank you all so much for your support. And remember, never give up on living life, because life is the most precious thing we have. I'll see you guys all in the next one. I'm going to bed.